What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to make a quick bias for tomorrow, what I'm gonna expect for tomorrow from the market, and especially from Euro USD. Who don't know, my name is Nick, I'm a forex trader and I'm trading the break and retest, most of the time Euro USD, but I'm gonna make a quick review on all of them. So basically yesterday it was a big news event. So basically from the last week, let's start from the last week, we had this huge non-farm payroll news. It went to the downside, then the market opened with a big gap that I was expecting to fill up this gap. Monday it wasn't the case, but Tuesday I took literally this from the bottom. I took a trade and I write it down literally to close to here basically, and it was about to hit the news event and I closed the position in profit. Not much profit, but still a profit. And then I saw how this thing spiked up, yeah. And then today, yeah, it was a huge gap. It was a huge gap. So basically, to be honest, I was expecting the price action to kind of come into this gap, yeah, and then move up. Unfortunately, it did not. It did not. From the daily perspective, yeah, what you can see, guys, you can see it kind of made here a huge push, then try to go pull back to retest this zone, then try to go up, couldn't make high, break to the downside, create this huge imbalance and break even this low. So basically what I was expecting to retest either this, but most likely I'm gonna wait for this because here we still got like a bit of gap. So that's why I was expecting today, yeah, to fill up this gap. But anyway, if you see, like, it worked perfectly to the T as a break and retest. It's very beautiful concept and it's very easy to follow. The next step, what we can expect, we're right now sitting at this support. If we're gonna break it, most likely we're just gonna go to this support, and I'm gonna expect something like that. On GBP USD, let's see real quick. GBP USD is kind of going up. Here is not much, here is kind of consolidating. I won't pay attention to the GBP USD. On the Euro JPY, it kind of sits at the resistance zone. We got my days, let me just remove all the drawings. So we kind of got like this support and we kind of rejected today. So most likely tomorrow, let's see how it looks, the weekly. The weekly has been rejecting from this one. We still got to fill up all this week and to retest one more time this kind of high. So what we can expect tomorrow, to the downside, at least heading towards this zone. So that's why I'm expecting tomorrow from GBP JPY. And on the gold is very simple concept, guys. Here is literally, everybody can see, it's been a downtrend, making kind of low, break this structure, retest it right here, let's say consolidating, pull back, break the structure, came here, retest what they retested. I'm gonna show you what they retested. They retested this, and then we go today a beautiful bearish engulfing. What I'm gonna expect for tomorrow, I'm gonna expect the price action to come to this area. So I'm gonna see in the Asia and maybe London to pull back, and then New York to put it down. But tomorrow is Friday, so who knows, it can happen like tomorrow to consolidate all day and then Monday to hit it to the downside. That could be. So basically, yeah, guys, that's kind of my analysis, my bias, and that's what I'm expecting from the market, guys. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like, and see you on my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.